Dan went downstairs. Yeah. You want to come? You can bring it. Yeah, Daddy. Yeah, we can go. So come. You can come too. Or you want to sit here? We can go order it.
Where are you guys going?
She
wants to look at the wine bar?
Yeah. To order a Moscow Mule.
This is, what is this place called again?
Ye Olde Cheshire.
Ye Olde Cheshire.
Cheshire Cheese.
With no cheese or food to be found.
You guys want to walk upstairs and film with me or no?
Yeah. I'll walk with you. You sit here, okay? Yeah, you sit here. You stay on the floor.
We'll bring one of the beers, right?
Yeah, you. Put the code. 190205. She wants cocktail.
Is this still the one that? Is this still the one that King was like, God, you can do better.
You have to watch your head.
It's alright.
In the restroom.
It was rebuilt in 1667, right? Probably
Yeah.
after the Great Fire.
Mind your head.
Yeah, it's tiny.
Watch your head. Watch your step too. You have to
Mind
bend.
your head, mind your step.
Watch your step. Watch your head. I guess if you're really drunk, you'll fall.
Yeah. It's very dimly lit too.
I guess this is closed. Oh, there's more upstairs.
There is. Yeah.
What?
It's brilliant. It's beautiful
Wow.
up there.
I thought this was the. Wait, let's go check upstairs. If you're drunk, it'll be hard to manage up here.
Yeah, it's very dark.
I want to see how many floors
Oh my
there
God,
are.
how many people up there?
Next to you.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, I see somebody coming down.
Jonathan, how are you?
Good
Come.
present for me.
Hi. It's dark.
Oh, sorry.
Watch your step though.
It's very dark.
There's proper light here. We just want to check out.
Yeah, sure, you can check it out.
Wow, it's so how many floors are there?
Yeah.
Oh, this is closed off.
Oh, upstairs is open.
Upstairs, though, not open, right?
No.
Is this a restaurant? But it's closed though, right? Oh, okay.
Yeah, we missed it. Closed at 9, right?
Yeah, I wanted to try the food here. I didn't know we were didn't know kitchen closed. I guess we have to come some other time for food.
Do you know when was this place originally built? Do you know?
I don't know when it was original. No, I don't know, but I know the cellar goes back to the 1300s.
Wow.
Oh, really?
So, and I know that it was rebuilt in 1667.
Yeah.
But
No,
Older than
exactly.
America.
Oh, yeah, it was rebuilt
That's
even
crazy.
before America.
I wanted to try the food, but I guess we'll come some other time. So many rooms and stuff.
I think it said online
Huh?
it opened in like 1527 or something, but the cellar, she said, was from the 1300s,
100?
right?
Well, I left Izzy down all by herself.
She'll be fine.
Yeah. Was hoping to eat here, but it's kind of late, I guess.
Yeah.
Shall we go down?
Yeah.
Where's the down? Okay.
You came in through here.
Is there more room upstairs or dining?
There is, but there isn't because it's not open.
Oh.
It's only, say when it gets
How
to
many
street-
floors are there?
In terms of where people can actually go, it's only
Yeah.
that floor, and then
Okay.
beyond that, it's like the kitchen.
Oh, okay. The kitchen is way up there?
Yeah, it's at
Oh,
the top.
There's
So, and
another
the staff
bar in
don't have
here.
lift?
There's another bar, but this one's closed now.
Oh, it's closed
It's
now.
just because it was completely empty for about half an hour. So, we
So
just
the
thought,
staff has to take the stairs all the way?
Oh, I just had my break, and because that room's not being used, I just sat in there basically.
Oh.
But you said the kitchen is upstairs, right?
Yeah, on the.
So how do they bring the food? Is there like a
There's
lift?
lifts.
Oh, they
There's
have
lift?
lifts.
Yeah, that's why I was
You
like,
figured
it's
it out,
gotta be
right? Yeah.
Otherwise-
There's lifts on every
Otherwise
floor.
it'd be too much to
No,
bring
no,
all
no,
this.
no, no. They
Yeah.
do the lifts and stuff.
That's so cool.
I know, yeah.
Yeah. All right, watch your step. Yeah, because the stairs are like all spiral.
It's like 5-6 floors.
Yeah, the kitchen is upstairs. So that was what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you're right. It's like 5 floors. Let's go find our daughter, I guess.
Hold on. We didn't film these bars yet.
Did we go down there?
Yeah, but we haven't filmed these bars yet.
Oh, we didn't go down there, right?
No, that's where Izzy is. Where your daughter is. I didn't know how well it'll come out because it's I got the ISO cranked like all the way up.
Take a picture of this and this.
Of what?
Can you even see?
It's not focusing.
Too dark.
I think it's confused between you and the sign.
How about here?
It just takes a minute to focus because it's so dark.
How about this picture?
It doesn't know what to focus on.
How about if I stand here? Too
Yeah,
dark?
that it's fine. It's dark, but yeah, it sees you.
It's like many levels. I don't know, if you're drunk, you'll fall.
You think you don't have to be drunk to fall.
Climb all the stairs.
I think we were down here, right? Izzy's down here?
Yeah. Oh, watch your head then.
Yeah, I got it.
She wants a Moscow Mule.
Well,
Should I get her one?
I don't know. Hard alcohol for her?
Huh?
Yeah, go for that. Go